DJ dreams go beyond.
New vacancy in the UAE.
Site engineer, civil. We are looking for a skilled and motivated site engineer to join our residential and villa construction team in Abu Dhabi. Requirements: bachelor's degree, B.Tech, BE, in civil engineering from a recognised university. 4 to 6 years of experience in civil construction works, preferably in residential or villa building projects in the UAE. Good knowledge of site supervision, construction methods, finishing works, and quality control. Familiarity with construction drawings, BOQs, and project specifications. Proficiency in MS Office, AutoCAD. Basic knowledge of Primavera P6 is an advantage. Strong communication and coordination skills. Ability to work under pressure and meet project deadlines.
Interested? UAE-based, strong building, residential villa. Construction experienced candidates, please send their CV to anisha@jayan@alrawabit.com.
Subscribe to my channel to get regular updates on new job vacancies.